Cabin crew to landing stations.
And for your information, there is no time difference between Hong Kong and Clark, Philippines. The ground temperature is at 30 degrees Celsius. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of our entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight crew, Captain Salas and First Officer Alvaro, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly with you more in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats, even disposes in the bins near the exits. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated.
Paano kaya? Okay. Bye.
Once again, as a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you stand to get your bags. Hintayin munang mawala ang seatbelt sign na matatagpuan sa inyong ulinan bago tumayo. And for guests sitting in special assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last using the forward door. Sa panahon na nangangailangan ng wheelchair, kayo pong huling bababa. And as a reminder, kindly double check your surroundings, including seat pockets and the overhead bin compartments to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind.
Hindi ako baka narinig. Hindi narinig ko.
Cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival and cross-check.
Once again, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you stand to get your bags. Hands from the overhead bin.
Dito na tayo sa Hong Kong.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Ano yung luggage? Hindi sinabi, di ba? Kita mo lang. Diyan kami sumakay nun, oh. On the way to airport na po tayo. So, nandito na po tayo sa mga makulay at magandang daan. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Going to Qingyi to Lantau na tayo. So, ang ganda po dito. Nagtitwinkle-twinkle yung mga ilaw.
Ah, okay. 3 o'clock pa naman ang flight. Go 2 hours and a half. Kahit nandun lang kayo, okay lang. Basta nandun na kayo ng
Ganda, no?
4, 5, 6.
Kulay orange yung kalsada.
Hindi.